These are all the parts that you will receive in the mail when you order the chlorine injection system. This is called the injection tee, and just for demo purposes, we're not going to use the Teflon around the reducer bushing, but we are going to, when you receive it, you're going to put this around, this Teflon around this, and you're going to screw it in to the injection tee. And you're also going to use the Teflon, and you're going to put some Teflon around the check valve arrow. There's an arrow here, and you're going to put that inside of the reducer bushing and screw everything together just like that. I'm going to complete the injection tee by using this black tubing, and we're going to take the compression knot, which is this piece here, and we're going to put that inside of the tube like so, and then we're going to use the ferrule piece, which is this little tiny piece here. I'm going to put that like so, like an arrow on the tube, and then we're going to insert this tube inside of the injection tee, inside of the valve. This valve here, we're going to put this inside like so, and we're going to screw it together like that. For this step, we're going to take the other end of the black tubing, and we're going to insert the knot, the compression knot, over the tubing, and then we're going to use the ferrule like so, and then we are going to insert this tubing, and we're not going to use any Teflon around this, and we're going to insert the black tubing into the pump like so, and we're going to tighten up the knot, the compression knot, like this. This step, we're going to use the water meter, and we're going to take the compression knot, which is this, and we're not going to use any Teflon, and we're going to take the nipple, and we're going to put the knot into the nipple. We're going to insert this like this, and then we're going to use this O-ring and put that on top like this. And we're going to screw this into the bottom of the meter. Like so. And we're going to do the other side the same way. Should look like this. For this step, we're going to install the meter, the water meter, and so you'll have to pay attention to this arrow, the direction of the arrow going this way. So this is where we're going to install it into injection tee. I'm going to use the Teflon for this. You're going to use this, put it around, and screw this in, like so. Okay, for the next step, we're going to install into the water meter. At the end of the injection tee, we're going to install the mixer. And we're going to apply the Teflon around the mixer and then screw this on at the other end of the injection tee. So it should be looking like this. When you're done screwing everything with the Teflon, it'll be looking like this. Remember the arrow. Step here, we're going to install this nipple with Teflon into the well pump setup. This end here. And for this end here, we're going to install this, the mixer, into the retention tank. We're going to connect this with Teflon. For this part of the installation, this is the electrical part of the installation. We have two wires here. One is black, one is red, and here we have one black, one red. You're going to connect the black with the black and the red wire with the red wire, and we're not going to use these wires for anything. So we're going to just put that together.